Go ahead. Turn this thing around. Okay, face it out and you're ready to go, right?
Yeah.
There you go. Okay, and here's the new locking pin.
So as long as she's a good enough shot to hit those ramps and screw in.
You see the hole? There you go. Now you're ready to drive it off whenever you're ready.
You want me to drive
No, you don't have to. It's okay.
Can you hit that slot and go back in the same spot?
Hey,
Yeah, it doesn't. Yeah, we
The
can.
ramp, I mean, where the wheels are.
There was that?
Can you get back in where the wheels are? Drive in there now?
Yeah, like you can turn around and.
I know, but I'm just assuming that she's good enough to hit the marks the second time.
Yeah, she had a little problem with that.
I got a little problem.
We just kind of
right.
now, but we'll be able. Now that we get this done, she'll be able to drive in a little easier.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.